Hey everybody, apologies as this took a wee bit. I had to keep fighting with the internet again as far as getting a good connection. Anywho, it is going backwards in time a wee bit. Christmas in July that took place over by the Connecticut River over in my area, right? Turner's, on the 26th of July. So we have the fireworks part of this. Enjoy. Again, thank you from whoever it was at MCTV that did this. Yeah, I was down here, not for the fireworks. I was too tired, but there's this big old dog out in front of where I was, so I think that's the dog you may be hearing out in the background here. Why somebody would bring your animal to this, and the animals don't like these type of things is way beyond me. All right. Slight delay. There we go. Back in business. Oh, so far they seem to be going up rather high. If you've watched my own personal videos with this, like from years before, you know that there could be some oops moments, right? Right. I gotta kind of fast forward this up into the finale. Hang on. All right, getting into the finale. Here we go. A few more moments. Again, thank you for the fire department and everybody else that helps do these things, including the Gill or Montague Boat Club across the river. Right. Thank you, folks from MCTV. This is like the first time that I know of that you were ever down there actually videotaping this. I didn't even know where you guys were. You weren't over by where I was, that was for sure. Right, here we go, finale time, everybody. Getting there. Yeah. Merry Christmas in July. Well, even though now it's like way past then, but still. Oh, man.
Hello, Moto.
Hey, sorry about that, everybody. I have no idea who was trying to call me. Said potential spam, so I'm not answering it. Yeah. By the time I got home, I was able to see this a little bit better without everybody in the way, but still. Yay. Merry Christmas in July, everybody.